According to Ayurveda, one of the most important functional systems in the body is the digestive system. Like any other parts of the body, is nourished through what you eat. We give a lot of importance to the digestive system because through the digestive system alone you can nourish any part of the body. So as long as digestive system is kept in a very healthy way, your structural health is ensured, you are free from disease. So digestive system structurally is a muscular organ, it's a tube-like structure which will be continuously moving throughout your life. Functionally, if you are assessing what is a digestive system, the capacity of digestion altogether is known as Agni. Functionally, it is Agni which is responsible for digesting what you eat and assimilating and getting things absorbed into the system so that entire body is nourished even to the every nook and corner. So the capacity of this intestine, we call it as koshta, to digest the food that you take is what is known as Agni. Even though the Agni is an understanding, it's a functional entity, it's not a structural entity. This is why the concept of Agni is not seen any other science. We give it as a second thought to ensure that the functional entity is not directly seen, but you can experience the effect of a functional entity like Agni. Your capacity to digest your food, capacity to digest or destroy the food so that it can be assimilable into the body. So that capacity has to be maintained throughout your life so that basic health is maintained without much of a strain. So digestion is considered to be the most important part in Ayurveda, even more important than the heart. Disease of the heart also has to be addressed basically through the digestive system so that you can nourish structures like heart and all through the digestive system, provided if it is kept in a very healthy state. So we consider this as a system as the most important part in maintaining the structural health of the body. Digestion can be different, capacity can be different for different individuals, and it can be decided basically by the nature of your body according to Vata, Pitta, Kapha domination. The capacity of the Agni or capacity of the digestion can be different. Whatever mode you have acquired by birth need not be altered also. If you are having a strong digestive capacity, which is a result of a Pitta mode of atmosphere, Pitta nature, that is very natural to that individual, is not going to be disturbing your health status. And most balanced Agni digestive system is attributed to the status of Kapha, where you can expect least number of diseases as a result of this disturbed Agni status. And erratic form of digestive process can be the result of a Vata dominant nature in the individual. That also need not be addressed as a disease because this will not be disturbing ultimately to your health status. And these things are not considered and you follow a food pattern which is inconsistent with your capacity, then beyond this point your structural health will be gradually affected. So one needs to know that what is your basic digestive capacity and ensure that this is not disturbed through your food habits. Second thing, the food habits are definitely connected to the place where you live, the mode where you adapted over a period of time, and generally uh, food which is healthy will be surviving through the traditions. So tradition of food habits will be contributing a lot to keep this Agni strong. So those things are more important, ensuring that your Agni is functionally live throughout your life. Second thing is the quantity of food that one needs to understand, that you don't require a lot of food to see that your structures are overnourished. According to what is your physical activity to exhaust this food, you need to ensure that the food is quantity of food is decided. Each individual has to do it. It cannot be generalized. Third thing is that half of your capacity of the stomach uh, can be filled with solid food. This is more important. Stomach can be filled to half of your capacity, and 1/4 of the capacity needs to be filled with the liquids, and 1/4 needs to be kept empty. That becomes the most important aspect. When you are keeping an empty space in the stomach, you ensure that you provide an atmosphere where the movements can be initiated in the stomach. And this movement is ensuring that your whole intestine or koshta is getting a continuous movement throughout the process of digestion. So that movement is actually initiated from the stomach, and that movement is possible if there is an empty space left there. Everything is filled with food and water. No movement will be smoothly conducted. That ensures that the digestive process is slowed down, and from this stage, all other dysfunctions can be initiated. So digestive process should be allowed if you give a small space left in the stomach each time of eating, to ensure that the movements of the intestine is initiated properly. Along with the food, you need liquids, and half of the stomach can be with solid and 1/4 can be with liquids. Liquid ensures that this food is put into a mode of what we say soft nature, where the digestive activity is initiated properly. Otherwise, food remains in very hard form, which will not be easily taken into digestive process. So food is taken into the body. Your body is according to basically what you eat, and that is supplied to the body in every part, provided if it is digested very well. And your capacity to digest things is attributed to what is known as Agni in Ayurveda. One who keeps the Agni in a proper form is supposed to be technically